This is the fishing update we are doing right now, and we are trying to get the um, legendary fish. I don't know what it's called, the dragon, whatever. It's called the Leviathan. Yeah. So we are gonna do 30 seconds on the clock, and we'll do it. Okay, 30 seconds was over. I think it was. Yeah, it is. 30 seconds. I got Nathan's fish. All this video is just fishing, but sorry. I don't have anything planned right now because it's new. Back at it again. But all I'm saying, like and subscribe. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I saw somebody who had it, and yeah. So like and subscribe. Have a good day. And oh, there is Buckhorn Sassy Top. I'm gonna show you that in a YouTube short. But yeah. But but yeah.